Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the lock screen password on the Oppo A5x. Now, if you want to change the lock screen password on your Oppo phone, first of all, just go to your home screen and open settings. Then tap on security and privacy. From here, just tap on device unlock. On this page, just tap on screen lock. And from here, just enter your current lock screen password. And from here, you can select any lock screen method which you like. You have the option of alphanumeric, a pattern, and numeric. Now I will select numeric. Now just enter your current lock screen pin. From here, just enter your new lock screen pin. Then select use. Now just enter your pin one more time to confirm your pin. Now if you want to enroll your fingerprint, just select enable. Otherwise, you can tap on cancel. And once you do that, you will successfully change the lock screen password on your smartphone. And this is how you can change the lock screen password on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.